Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Papua New Guinea landslide. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Papua New Guinea authorities have warned that there is a high risk of more landslides at the site of a recent deadly disaster, with government experts demanding the area be evacuated and declared a no-go zone. In a recent landslide on Mount Mungalo, more than 2,000 people are estimated to be buried, with more than 70,000 affected by the disaster. Now let's discuss about landslide. A landslide is a geological phenomenon involving the downward movement of a mass of rock, soil, and debris on a slope. This movement can vary in scale from small, localized shifts to massive and destructive events. Landslides can occur on both natural and man-made slopes, and they are often triggered by a combination of factors such as heavy rainfall, earthquakes, volcanic activity, human activities such as construction or mining, and changes in groundwater levels. Now let's understand why PNG is vulnerable to landslides. The main reason is the geographical location of the country. It sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a string of hundreds of volcanoes and earthquake sites which run along the Pacific Ocean. Frequent earthquakes lead to a high number of landslide incidents in Papua New Guinea. Other factors like the country's mountainous terrain and tropical climate also contribute to more frequent landslides. Heavy rain and storms lead to increased erosion, flooding, and higher tides, all of which raise the chance of dangerous rock falls. The situation is exacerbated by the fact that PNG lacks infrastructure and economic development to deal with natural disasters, unlike other nations like Taiwan, Italy, and Japan. Deforestation and mining have also played a role in more landslides. Now moving on to role of climate change in landslides. Papua New Guinea is also reeling from the adverse effects of climate change. Consequently, extreme weather events have become more frequent and intense in PNG. Although it is difficult to attribute the latest landslide to climate change, experts believe that the phenomenon contributed to the incident. Higher temperatures result in more evaporation of water, which enables the atmosphere to hold more moisture. In such a situation, storms can be more dangerous as they can cause a higher precipitation intensity, which could have triggered the landslide. Now lastly, let's discuss about Indian initiatives to mitigate landslides. National Landslide Risk Management Strategy 2019 addresses all the components of landslide disaster risk reduction and management. Landslide Risk Mitigation Scheme envisages financial support for site-specific landslide mitigation projects, national guidelines on landslides and snow avalanches to guide the activities envisaged for mitigating the risk emanating from landslides at all levels. Landslide Atlas of India is a document that provides the details of landslides present in landslide provinces of India, including damage assessment of specific landslide locations. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about landslides. 1. Landslides can occur on both natural and man-made slopes. 2. Landslide Atlas of India is a document that provides the details of landslides present in landslide provinces of India. 3. Recently, a deadly landslide occurred on Mount Mungalo, located in Indonesia. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.